Hello and welcome to another update video about NETVRK. NETVRK I mentioned in the member live stream a few weeks ago. I can't remember what price we were. I think around $4, $5. Now we are continuing to move up. It's another Metaverse cryptocurrency. I did talk about it, I think, on the general videos, not only in the member live stream. So I already made a couple of technical analysis videos on NETVRK, and I think it's just a very, very strong project. It's growing huge partners. They also indirectly partner with Cardano, and yeah, it's just a great project. Go to the website netvrk.co and have a look at the videos which are there and the partnerships. And before we jump into the TA, there was a new partnership that was announced today. NETVRK partners with Cornucopias, which is another Metaverse blockchain play-to-earn game, and they explore the interoperability, pretty much like some of the other projects here are doing as well. NETVRK with Lovelace, Space Dogs, GovWorld. To be honest, I haven't looked into all of these, but for example, Cornucopias, that is another, again, a blockchain Metaverse, and again, they explore the interoperability, which I think is exciting. So if you can, I don't know if you can basically jump worlds, or at least if you will be able to swap NFTs, in these games, or whatever, use an NFT that you own in one of the games onto the other one, whatever. I think limitless possibilities here and opportunities, and great partners this project has anyway. It has been in development for a while, a really strong team. You can, by the way, buy NETVRK on KuCoin. You can find a link in the description if you're not yet on KuCoin. But overall, I mean, look at the partners. This is a huge project, and it is really, 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 really interesting. So look at that. I mean, we've got here Bondleaf, really, really important project as well. We've got Polygon, of course, just as mentioning a few highlights here. ADAX, I mentioned ADAX on this channel before. Obviously an ADA built DEX, and yeah, it's just huge. Look at all these partners, and then you can see the blockchains here: Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Binance, XRP, Flare, Avalanche, and Elrond. And then you can see the investors here. So I think they can be proud of what they built, and a good team, a large team as well, and transparent, and again, really, really interesting project. So let's take a look at the price, because today we had a bit of a strong move up here. It's a volatile crypto anyway, and you can see that here, this up and down, but we're comfortably still above this trend line that I put onto this chart a while ago. Not only this trend line, I think we're currently actually adhering here to the 20-day moving average, which is coming up. That is currently sitting here at 550, and you can see how today we actually bounced off this 20-day moving average. Yeah, this is also sitting currently a little bit above the 0.214 FIB level here at 540. So we've got some good support levels there, and I would expect this to go up further. It is really strong at the moment, and it's continuing to move up. What I really like is here on the daily, the RSI, which is just moving sideways. It's not really pumping too much, so it's not really like getting overbought or anything. It's comfortably moving sideways in the bullish range. Nice and healthy move up. This is looking really, really positive and really, really good. If we here break above we already broke above 633, you can see how we are actually climbing up the FIBs here step by step. We were in this range here below the 0.214 FIB level, then we moved up. Then we were in the range between the 0.21 FIB and here the basically the previous all-time high here at 633, and we've moved above that. And now we are getting back into the range here where we already were before here briefly, and we are possibly climbing up the next step here again, as we did here on the 25th of November, and will then get possibly here to 750, which is the 1.272 extension level. Now at some point, if we are going to break that, then we can get to the 1.618. That is then the next key resistance level at $9. I think this price is still very, very much achievable. I mean, overall, the chart looks really healthy. It's not going parabolic at the moment, but I think at some point it might do. And it's a project that not too many people know about yet. So yeah, I think we can really go up further from here, holding above the trend line, holding above the 20-day moving average, climbing up the FIBs, not overbought on the daily. I think it's all looking quite healthy, to be honest. And you see the volume picking up a little bit here as well. And overall, even on the 8-hour chart here, we are in the bullish range. On the 4-hour chart, we are in the bullish range, and we possibly even here get a bullish crossover on the MACD. So yeah, and as I said, you can see the volume picking up here today with that candle. I mean, we pumped quite a lot in that one candle here. So that was pretty much like 30% in one candle. Now, since then, we have obviously retraced, but it has helped us to get above the 633 level, which was a resistance level here before. So we're possibly flipping that now as support. And yeah, it's good. It's looking good. I expect further continuation here. But if we drop obviously below that trend line here, which would today be sitting at 520, then I think we're going to go down further to possibly the next support levels at around 466. That's the 0.3 at 2 fib level. And just below that, we've got here the 0.5 at 415. But it's looking strong, looking like our, we are picking up momentum. So yeah, I would expect further continuation. And one of the cryptos here in the Metaverse range, which hasn't really mooned yet. So yeah, of course it did go up, but there are others which have gone up much more. So I expect here further continuation and yeah, more partnerships and a really strong project. So that's my view. No financial advice. Please do your own research. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like the video, please comment, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.